This video demonstrates the assembly of the Karcher Design UEL backplate. Ensure that the door has been properly prepared prior to assembly. Insert the spindle into the latch and center it in the door. Place the inner plate over the spindle and tighten the set screw. Remove the inner plate and spindle from the door. Screw the screw extensions into the threaded bosses on the outer plate. Attach the outer shield along with cylinder to the door. Place the cylinder mounting plate on the opposite side of the door and connect it to the cylinder using two screws. Assemble the inner plate onto the door. Connect the inner and outer plates through the door using two screws. Tighten the set screw on the outer handle. Check both the latch and deadbolt for functionality. An optional cylinder collar can be used for thin doors.